Hi, looking for a free MP3 cutter on Windows? Welcome to Caxuo MP3mer. This app lets you cut or trim MP3 audio in only 4 steps. Just load the MP3, set start and end time, and export the clipped audio in MP3 format. Caxuo MP3mer can be set up on Windows in just 1 minute without the need of any installation. All you need to do is to open your browser and type in levelup.caxuo.com and hit enter. Then open the menu, click the free apps option, and you will be on the list page containing 5 free apps by Caxuo.
Scroll down a bit to find Caxuo MP3mer and click the Learn More button. On next page, click Download button to open the GitHub release page of Caxuo MP3mer. On this page, you can read all about this app and then click the Download zip link to start the download. After the zip file is downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file and then click the Extract All option to start the zip extraction process. In the unzipped folder, you will find Shortcut to exe of Caxuo MP3mer, which you need to double-click to launch this app. Next is to select the MP3 to be trimmed, which is the first of 4 steps to cut a clip from audio. Let's play the MP3 audio to find the start and end point of the clip. Now, launch the Caxuo MP3mer from its unzipped folder. Take the first step to select the base MP3 audio which we just played.
Use the play button to test if MP3 is actually loaded. You can use slider to seek to any time moment of this base audio. Pause button stops the playback. Seek to appropriate start time appearing in. Then use set start button to set start time. Similarly, set the end time using set end button. Now, both the start and end time of our desired clip is set. Fourth and the final step is to hit the export button. Choose the output directory and set a suitable name for your clip. Wait for a while and your clip is exported and ready to be played. That is it! Audio is clipped! Let me share some unbeatable features of
Caxuo MP3mer.
Apart from being totally free and portable, this app is lightweight, privacy-friendly, and works 100% offline without need of signups or uploading your audio to internet. Please visit levelup.caxuo.com to learn more about this app, and do not forget to like, share, comment if you find this useful.